Imagine drones that can pick fruits themselves, monitor livestock, plant seeds, and kill pests. And will never need rest or bathroom breaks. Drones are quickly becoming a farmer's best friend, and it's easy to see why. The agriculture drones market is at around $4 billion in 2023, and some estimates project it to skyrocket to $17 billion by 2028. We'll go into everything you need to know about agriculture drones and how these companies are changing the future of farming. We'll start our journey in India, where Marut Drones was granted a utility patent for a direct seeding drone. The drone uses a multi-nozzle aerial seed dispensing device that makes the seeding process for rice more efficient. Rice seeds are dispersed from the air and allows growers to reach unprecedented levels of precision and efficiency. It comes at a perfect time, with massive labor shortages in the agriculture industry. Marut drones can provide a sustainable, cheaper, and more efficient approach to rice cultivation. The company has conducted trials across 5 states in India and aim to seed 1 million hectares of land by 2030. Marut drones aren't the only ones fighting threats like food security and economic stability. They can also monitor livestock, which is what Zenadrone does. Founded in 2020, the company initially used drones for photography and videography, but then pivoted to another key issue: managing livestock. Zenadrone technology can check for the health conditions of animals, food, and water supply. These drones can also track their movement. That especially comes in handy when farmers have lost cattle. The drone company uses a mix of AI, machine learning software integration, GPS tagging, and a thermal scanner to locate the lost animals, as well as monitor their health. Farmers also worry about security as a whole, putting up fences to keep their livestock safe. That's where the Zenadrone 1000 comes in. This quadcopter drone provides aerial surveillance that can keep an eye on farm perimeter fences and can take vivid photos and videos in mid-flight. It can also detect heat from animals and use that to identify any sick cattle as well. The GPS tracking also comes in handy in locating the exact position of every animal. That way, ranchers can better study the herd's size, movement, and distribution. But drones can do more than just managing cattle. They can also pick fruit right off of trees. Fruit rotting on trees or on the ground is actually a huge issue for farmers and can cost up to $30 billion in sales every year. One big reason for all that wasted fruit? A shortage of fruit pickers worldwide, with some estimating that there'll be 5 million missing fruit pickers by 2050. How does a farmer solve such a huge crisis? Enter Tevel Aerobotics Technologies, an Israeli startup. They've developed flying autonomous robots that can pick only the ripe fruit off a tree, and then very gently lower it for collection. Since they don't need to eat, sleep, or take bathroom breaks, these robots can work 24/7. And each robot has an advanced AI that determines if the fruit is ready for picking or not. To do that, it uses its mechanical arm that stretches out about 1 meter and twists and turns the fruit off the branch. The cameras and sensors on the robot collects information and runs it through a machine learning algorithm to determine the best angle to access it, as well as the best way to twist it off the branch. In the future, Tevel is working on their robots being able to prune dead leaves and to spray pesticides too. Tevel estimates that one robot can cover 2.5 acres of land over the course of a harvesting season. And a large farm might need anywhere from 1,000 to 2,000 robots. They're not cheap, but in the long run, can save farmers massive amounts of money, time, and labor. Speaking of saving money, Pats X is making bat-like drones that can kill pests in mid-air. The Netherlands-based company has created a system that can target and hunt moths and prevent any more reproduction of the pest population, reducing the need for spraying insecticide and possibly damaging crops. If you're interested in more, check out the link above that goes in depth on how smart farming robots are completely changing the industry. Hylio is another agriculture drone maker, and this one is based in Texas. No other US company is commercially producing spray drones on the scale they are. Their main product is the Agro drone. It's a multi-rotor aerial vehicle guided by Agrosol, which is Hylio's fleet control software. Working together in tandem, Agrosol and AgroDrone make sure an entire field is sprayed. The advanced software even allows drones to spray fields with unusual shapes, since not all fields are perfect rectangles. Business has taken off, and the startup made $2 million in 2021 alone. But drones can do much more than just spraying and seeding. But we'll stay in the Netherlands for our final company, Corvus Drones. They've created drones that specialize in greenhouses, and growers can use them as their eyes and ears inside a greenhouse. A drone can take off with just one click on your phone, and in 20 minutes can analyze the entire greenhouse. It'll send a detailed report to you within an hour. And here's just a glimpse at what these drones can do. With row tracking software, they can fly between high-wire crops like cucumbers and tomatoes, and will be able to track and monitor them for harvest. They can also fly over crops and measure the leaf area. Each bay, variety, or batch has its own QR code that the drone recognizes instantly. It then takes images and sends them to the Corvus cloud, where the cloud generates a clear report with the info it's been given. Corvus drones can also fly over seed trays 6 to 8 days after sowing, and send a report with the germination percentage and the number of usable plants per tray. The result? Farmers are able to see the quality of their seedlings as early as possible and can conduct efficient space planning based on that. It's clear that drone companies throughout the world are becoming leaders in innovation. They've crafted creative ways for farmers to save time and money, all with the use of drones. And if the projections are correct, the market for agricultural drones is only going up, way up from here. With that said, thanks for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe to stay up to date to the evolving world of farming.